Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious sausage, peppers, and onions frittata. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious sausage, peppers, and onions frittata, we have Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're a hardwood smoked sausage, right? And we're going to slice them up good, maybe use 2 of them. And over here we have 5 grade A large eggs. Yep, it's going to be eggy, guys. And over here we have a poblano pepper. We're probably only going to use half of that and slice it up, right? And we have a red and a green bell pepper, and they're about a little over half of a pepper each. And back here we have 1 small sweet onion that we sliced up. And back here we have our mozzarella and cheddar cheese blend, right? It's about a cupful. And up here we have about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese that's shredded. Really nice. Alright, let's put some of this aside. Alright, let's go ahead and slice this in half, lengthwise, right? And let's go ahead and get the seeds out of there. And we'll dump the seeds out of this one. Okay, they look pretty good. Okay, let me clean up my seeds. Alright, there's our poblano pepper. Now we're going to use this one. We'll put this aside. Well, let's go ahead and cut them into nice strips. Now you don't have to use poblano peppers, but they add a little bit of spice to our frittata, right? And we're going to cut them something like this, like in thirds. Just like that. Okay? Alright, let's bring in a bowl and we'll put them in there. Alright. There's our poblano peppers all sliced up nice. Let's put them aside. Alright, let's bring in our green bell pepper, right? Now this is about 3/4 of a green bell pepper here. And it was a large one. So we're going to go ahead and slice it up. So let's do that. We'll slice it up. Alright. Let's do this one. Now this knife is really sharp, guys. We went ahead and sharpened it with our Any Sharp knife sharpener, and it really does do good in a pinch. I'm always forgetting to sharpen my knives, and I'll bet you are too. Just go ahead and pick one of them up if you don't have one, because they're really a handy gadget to have in the kitchen. Alright, back to slicing our green bell pepper. Okay, just like that. Alright, let's put this like that. And we'll go ahead and do thirds on this one too. Alright. Alright, let's bring in our red bell pepper. Now that's about 3/4 of a red bell pepper there. So let's go ahead and slice that up like we did the green one. This adds a lot of color and flavor to our frittata, right? Plus, with the price of vegetables nowadays, don't waste your vegetables. You know, use them up in whatever you have there, right? You can make frittatas out of them or stir fries. Okay, let's bring in our bowl and we'll put them right in there. Alright. There's our red and green bell peppers and our poblano pepper, all sliced up nice. Alright, let's put this aside. Alright, here's our Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're hardwood smoked sausage, right? Now we're only going to use maybe 2 of these, so let me get these out of the package and I'll bring it back. Alright, here they are out of the package. Now They really smell good, especially when they're cooking, because they have a nice smoky flavor. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to slice these up like this, lengthwise. And we're going to turn them, and we're going to do the same thing. Just like that. And we're going to do the same to the other one. Okay. Now stack them together. Just like this. Alright. Now we're going to cut them up. Make nice chunks out of them. Now you can cut these as thin as you want. I'm cutting them about 1/4 of an inch. And they look perfect. Okay, let's bring in a bowl and we'll put them in there. Okay, there's our sausages all cut up nice. In nice cubes. Alright, let's put these aside. Alright, now we're going to take a nice sized bowl. And we're going to crack some eggs in there. Alright, now to that we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. And we're going to put them right in there. Okay? And we're going to add about 2 ounces of regular milk. Put that in. And we're going to beat that up, guys. Alright, let's do that. Okay. Now this is really going to make it taste good with all those seasonings in there. Okay, that looks good. Alright, there's our egg mixture. All mixed up nice with all those good seasonings. Now all we have to do is start making our frittata. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our non-stick skillet. And we're going to set our burner to medium-high. Alright, our pan's hot enough. Now let's go ahead and put a little peanut oil in the pan. Alright, now let's spread that around. Get it on the edges. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to take our sausages, right? And we're going to put them right in there. Okay, let's brown our sausages a little bit. Well, they smell good already, guys. They're smoked sausage, right? Now you can use whatever kind of sausage you like. You can use Italian sausage, anything you want. In a frittata, right? And boy, these are really good in the morning. But we're going to be eating this for lunch today. And they're also good for dinner, a frittata. Plus you can eat them cold. Alright, let's give our sausage another stir here. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Now you don't want to overcook them and make them real crispy, right? Unless you want to. Now we're going to take all our onions and we're going to put them in there. Now we're looking to soften our onions. Okay, our onions are just starting to turn a little bit translucent there. Alright, now we're going to take all our red and green bell peppers and our poblano peppers, right? We're going to put them right in there. Alright, we're going to let our green and red bell peppers and our poblano peppers go just for a little bit here and get a little bit tender, but still a little crunchy, right? Now you could cover them and speed up the process, but we're just going to keep an eye on them and stir them, you know. They should be okay. Okay, it's been another couple minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. Boy, is that starting to smell good. Alright, they're smelling really good, and let's let them go a little bit longer. Okay, let's make a little hole in the middle here. And we're going to take our 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and put that in there. Now, as soon as you smell that garlic release its wonderful aroma, and it just did, didn't take long. Go ahead and mix in your peppers and onions and your sausage. Mix everything in nicely. Now this is going to add a lot of flavor to our frittata, right? Alright, and now let's go ahead and lower our burner temperature down to medium-low. And we're doing this because we don't want to put our eggs in there in a real hot pan. We want to have it at a lower temperature, like medium-low, before we add our eggs. Alright, let's go ahead and take our egg mixture, and we're going to put some of our cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese in there. And we're going to mix it up. And we're going to pour that right in there, just like this. Alright, you kind of want to push down on it. Make sure everything is smoothed out a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and put more of our mozzarella cheese and our cheddar cheese on top. Now don't forget to save some for on top. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let everything get nice and hot and let our egg firm up, right? Alright, let's check our frittata and see how we're doing. Wow, guys. Boy, does that look good. Let's see if the middle has firmed up. It's almost done. Look at all the cheese. Okay, now let's put the rest of our cheese on. That'll freshen it up top here, right? Alright, let's put a little of our Parmesan cheese on top of there. We like it cheesy, don't we? Okay, let's cover that and let that finish cooking. Now it should only take another maybe 5 minutes on a low temperature burner, and that's the key here. Just go ahead and let it cook really low and slow, and the middle of that egg will be perfectly done without burning your backside, right? Okay. Alright, let's give our frittata a check. Look at that, guys. Boy, is that loaded with cheese. And this is going to taste good. And I can't wait to have a taste of this, so let's go ahead and put this on a cutting board and have a taste. Alright, here it is. Look at that. That's our delicious sausage, peppers, and onions frittata. And boy, doesn't that look good. Now all we have to do is get that out of there and put that on the cutting board, right? So let's do that. Okay, let's see if we can get that out of there. Get under here with a spatula. And we'll see if we can slide him out of there. That's beautiful, guys. Wow. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Because we like our pepper. Okay. And a little bit of parsley flakes. Make it look nice, plus they taste good. Now you can use fresh parsley or any seasonings you like. Alright, there it is, our delicious sausage, peppers, and onions frittata. Now let's go ahead and slice a piece out of here and we'll have a taste. So let's do that. We'll get right in here just like this. Now you should wait until this cools. Alright, let's get under there and get that piece out of there and see how we did. Look at the cheese in there, guys. That's beautiful looking. And it's got a wonderful crust. It's just about golden. And that's going to taste wonderful. Alright, let's put that on a little plate and we'll have a taste. Look at this, guys. Can you see that? It really does look delicious. And I can't wait to have a taste of this. Boy, is that going to be good. Let me go ahead and have a taste. And I'll show you what it looks like and I'll let you know how it tastes. Boy, doesn't that look good, guys? Look at the sausage in there. Delicious looking. Okay. Let me go ahead and have a bite. Mmm. Is that delicious? You're gonna love this, guys. Just go ahead and make it, and it'll definitely serve 4 to 6 people. And boy, is it tasty. Can you see that in there? All those good peppers and onions and sausage. And that's loaded with cheese. And definitely loaded with flavor. Boy, is this tasty. Alright, let me put this aside so you can take a look at the whole frittata. Alright, maybe I can pick it up and show you. Look at this, guys. Let me spin it. Is that delicious looking? Beautiful. Alright guys, you know what'll go good with this? Since we're having this for a nice late lunch, you may have guessed this one. I'm going to have a nice hot cup of coffee with this one. Because it's definitely winter time and it'll hit the spot. Plus, you know what? You can let these cool down and you can eat them cold. You know, like tomorrow, right? So go ahead and make them this way and serve up your guests. And if you have any leftovers, it won't go to waste because you can eat them the next day. Doesn't that sound good? It really does. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious sausage, peppers, and onions frittata. That's what's for lunch today. And boy, does that sound good. Yep. I just gotta have another little taste. Look at the cheese in there, guys. Oh yeah. Okay. Is that good? That's just plain delicious. Catch you on the next one, guys.